I'm going to show you 2 ways to make red beet eggs. And if you've never had them, I grew up in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. There's my hard-boiled eggs, and there's slices of beets in there. So you do the hard-boiled eggs, and then this is the cheat recipe. You do sliced beets. They have to be pickled already. I get this from Aldi. And then I always save a little bit of pickle juice from my pickles. I like to get the bread and butter chips. I only put a little bit of this in. I put a couple jars of this in, and if I have a little bit of extra juice from when I actually, eat the beets, like with my dinner and things like that, I also save that. I put 9 hard-boiled eggs in there, and you got to let them in the container. Now, I use this old Tupperware container because I don't care if it gets stained, but you can use a glass one so you don't have to worry about the beet juice staining anything. And you have to let it soak for a few days before you can eat them. You want that beet juice to really soak into the eggs. And they stay good in here for a long time. So that is the quick and easy cheat way. My mom used to make it from scratch. So she would use vinegar and sugar. She would get the canned sliced beets at the grocery store. So she would use those. Then she'd add the vinegar, add the sugar, kind of do it to taste. She'd put the hard-boiled eggs in there. And we did the same thing with just a little bit of whatever pickle juice we might have had on hand. But you don't need the pickle juice at all. It's just vinegar and sugar, the beet juice, the hard-boiled eggs, and the sliced beets. This was always a fun treat. We loved having it in the summertime. You can actually make it any time of the year. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.